Welcome to my channel today, a channel with a target for knowledge and growth. My name is Wumi. I welcome you today. On this channel, every video is a step towards enlightenment. So are you ready to embark on a journey filled with knowledge and inspiration? Then I encourage you to watch our videos to the end. Are you new here or you are a returning viewer? I welcome you as well. Make sure to stick around today because we are going to be discussing production and manufacturing careers. I encourage you to hit the subscribe button and share our videos so that we can reach more amazing people like you. Every time you engage with our videos, you help us get more discovered by more viewers, and by sharing our videos, you help us get this information to more amazing people like you. By watching this video, you are not just benefiting yourself, but you are becoming a beacon of knowledge to your friends, families, and communities. Together, we create the wealth of information to those around you, and we can create a network of informed and inspired individuals. So hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bells so when we drop our next video, you are the first to know. So coming to vocational training, why choose Germany? Germany is renowned and known for its robust vocational training system. Why? Because it offers a unique hands-blend-on experience with academic learning. So you are learning with your hands-on experience, and you have academic learning. And not just that, it's the practical settings that opens doors to multitude of career opportunities, and you are earning and learning as well. Your journey to integrating into Germany through vocational training starts here. So let's dive into this video topic. As the picture beside me is showing, as I said earlier on, this is a new playlist and it's all about manufacturing, but the first area of specialization is about professions in mining. Under production. Under production, we have 230 career, and this is with 17 areas of specialization you can go into. The first area of specialization, that is what I'll be discussing today, that is professions under mining. Professions under mining. So all the videos that will be coming now is professions under mining. So if you're interested in mining, I encourage you to watch the video to the end. Now, the first career path under this area of specialization when it comes to professions in mining is processing mechanic. You want to become a processing mechanic, you have 5 areas of specialization in this profession. And I'll be discussing just 2 out of this 5 areas of specialization in this video. So the first one is what you have beside me. That is why you have 1.1. 1.2, 1.1, 1.2 is discussed. So 3, 4, 5 will be coming in other videos to come. So you want to become a processing mechanic. The first area of specialization is processing mechanic in this with the specialization in lignite. So you are specializing in lignite. Auf Deutsch, das ist Aufbereitungsmechaniker in Fachrichtung Braunkohle. You are specializing in lignite. The duration is 3 years and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It is a recognized training. The duration is 3 years. Do you need a certificate? If you have your Realschulabschluss, Hochschulabschluss, or the Hauptschulabschluss, any of those 3, you are accepted. And if you don't have Abschluss as well, you are accepted. Meaning, if you have any of the certificates, or if you don't, you can get into this career path. But the most important thing that you must understand is when it comes to vocational training in Germany, you must understand the German language. So if you have started your German language, give yourself a big thumbs up. If you have finished, give yourself a big pat at the back. You can choose from any vocational training. By learning the German language, you are opened to more vocational training options. So I encourage you, if you have not, what are you still waiting for? It's something you can do. So go ahead and start learning your German language. So going back, Fachrichtung Braunkohle, that is Aufbereitungsmechanikerin, processing mechanic that specializes on lignite. What do? You process automated brown coal. You largely automated processing of brown coal. That is what you do. You control machines and systems in which the raw coal is sieved and freed from rocks. Raw coal is sieved and free from rocks, and that was extracted during mining. You dry them, you grind them, you make sure you take samples, you ensure that the quality of the product is good, and you document every result that you get when you are processing this raw coal. And you also keep record of the quantities produced, you store the products properly and load them further for transport. You maintain the machines that you use during processing, the automated process, and you determine if there are any misfunctionality, the cause of the technicality problem, and you repair these machines. So where do you find employment? You find employment in lignite processing plants and in open cast lignite mining. Most importantly, when it comes to lignite mining, you find employment there, and processing plants where lignite is being processed, you find employment there. So if you're interested in mining, this is a career I will encourage you to look into, mining in the area of specialization when it comes to lignite, that is brown coal. The second career option is still in this video, so I encourage you to watch the video to the end. This is still the first career option. The second part, that is 1.2, we've discussed still in this video. It's 5 areas of specialization. I encourage you to watch the video to the end. Don't give up on your careers. Don't forget, only you can stop you. Welcome back. This is the second career part out of the 5 that I'll still be discussing when it comes to professions in mining. And this is the first career. We have, let's not forget, we have 17 areas of specialization, and this is still the first. Every career I'm discussing is still in the first area out of the 230 career paths. So we have the processing mechanic. That's the first career path, and the processing mechanic under the professions under mining has 5 areas of specialization. So you can decide to go for the first, that's a specialization in lignite that I talked about, and you can decide to go with this career path I'm about to discuss now. I want to encourage you to watch in the previous playlist I have explained what it means, professions with area of specialization and professions with a focus. So when it comes to area of specialization and with a focus, what you should expect. And most of these career paths, they are all recognized training. So vocational training, you can take it free time, tile site, I mean to say, that is part-time, and you can take it full site, that is full-time. Depending on the time you take it, then it will determine how long you are going to spend. So this has also been explained in previous playlists. I encourage you to watch them. So starting the second video, this is the second career path. The first have been discussed still in this video. This is the second, and it's processing mechanics specializing in refractory ceramic raw materials. When you want to talk about ceramic raw materials, when you want to mine ceramic raw materials, this is a career you want to look into. And the profession is Aufbereitungsmechanikerin Feuerfeste Ceramische Rohstoffe. So you are into ceramic raw materials. The duration is 3 years as well, and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It is a recognized training. It is a recognized training. Do you need a certificate? If you have your Hochschulabschluss, Reichsschulabschluss, or you don't have any Abschluss, that is, you don't have any certificate, you are learned, or even if you are not, you can come into this vocational training. And let's not forget, your German language is very important, so that when they talk, you can understand and you can communicate as well. So I encourage you, if you have not started your German language, I encourage you to start. If you have, give yourself a big thumbs up, and if you are finished, give yourself a big pat at the back. You can then go ahead and do any vocational training you intend to do. You have done very well. So don't give up on your careers, I encourage you. So still on this vocational training, we are still talking about the ceramic Specialization in ceramic raw materials. You are a miner, but you are in the area of specialization when it comes to ceramic raw materials. So as the picture beside me is showing, what do you do? Those are specialized in ceramic raw materials. They mine clay using mining excavators or crushing systems and transport them to processing plants. What they do is they mine clay that are used for ceramics, and they monitor the largely automated process for further processing. They mix and crush the raw materials mechanically and dry them, and they grind them as well. To ensure the product quality, they take samples, analyze them, and document the results. They also keep records as well, like they are miners, they keep records, they take samples, they store products, they mine. But here you are into ceramic products and you load them, all the ceramics products, after mining for further transport. You maintain machines that are being used for the excavation as well, and you repair machines in case there's any technical fault. So where do you find employment? You find employment in mining and processing plants and at ceramic manufacturing companies. So if you are interested in mining when it comes to ceramic, the first one is lignite. This is the second video. As the picture beside is showing, you are into ceramic raw materials. That is what you are mining. That is your area of specialization. So if you are interested, I will encourage you to look into this vocational training and don't give up on your careers. The third, fourth, and the fifth I'll be doing in another video. So I encourage you to stay tuned and expect those videos. Don't give up on your careers. Hit the subscribe button so that when I drop these videos, you are the first to know. I'll see you in my next video. Don't give up on your careers, because only you can stop you.